It's usually a good idea to replace these batteries every 6 months on a smoke alarm. Now these batteries are still working. Usually you've got a lid that folds out one way or another. I'm going to pull that out. Look and see which way it was put so I can match this up. And if you're not sure, one is plus, one is minus, look up in here and see which is which. Push this back up in there. And generally the lid won't close if you've put it in wrong. Okay, now to reset that, I'm going to press this button and hold it for 2 long shrieks. Got to close my ears on this one. You got to do that twice like that, and some are different than others. If you got a question, you can read the little directions on your smoke alarm, but you're probably not going to have those if it's not a new install, are you? This one's hard connected and battery operated. So usually in about 8 to 10 minutes, you'll hear it chirp. 2 little chirps, and that generally tells you that it's reset properly. Now sometimes it doesn't chirp like that, and maybe it's a bad alarm, smoke alarm that needs to be replaced, or maybe that little function on it doesn't work anymore. Okay, so you'll just have to kind of be aware of that when you replace your batteries. Okay, so I got about 3 or 4 more done, or that need to be done throughout the house, so I'm going to get busy on them and get that off the list.